Hello. Welcome to the stream. We're playing a scary game this evening. I hope everyone is buckled in and ready. I am not going to mention the fact that I have not streamed in 2 weeks. It happens, you know. No big deal. We're just going to pretend like it didn't happen and just pick up where we left off. Today we are playing... I wish I knew what this game was called. This is Shinkansen. Exactly. It is a scary Japanese game. It's kind of like the Stalker cafe game that I played about like a month ago. I cannot remember what the name of that game was, and to my knowledge, it's not done by the same people, but it's very similar. So, I know absolutely nothing about this game. It was recommended on Steam, so we're just gonna jump right into it and see what happens. No anomaly in this area. Why would you feel the need to preface? Okay, so this is the way I'm supposed to go. Oh. Okay, turn back if there is anomaly. No anomalies so far. Ooh, I'm a straight white man. Let's go. What else would I be in a horror game, right? Sleeping man. Can I interact with you? No. Can I steal your bag? Hello. Welcome to the stream. We're playing a scary game this evening, and I have absolutely no idea what happens in it. So we're just playing along. Same.
Konnichiwa.
Oh. Hello, mister.
何してるの?
What's wrong?
また会ったね.
Are you looping too?
お兄さんもゲームをしに来たの?
Does that mean you're here to play the game too?
僕めっちゃ楽しみ.
I'm super excited.
お姉ちゃんが起きないから暇なんだ.
I was really bored here because my sister's not waking up.
いくら待っても.
No matter how long I wait.
すっごく待っても起きないんだもん.
She doesn't seem to open her eyes. She's gonna open her eyes later in the game, I can tell you that right
でも
now.
お兄さんがゲームしてくれるから。
But
もう
now,
大丈夫.
now that I have you to play the game, I feel better.
ゲームのルールは知ってる?
Do you know the rules of the game? No. I can't select no. No.
ルールはとっても簡単だよ.
The rules are simple.
変わったことがあった
Yeah,
ら
where's
戻る.
Rengoku? See
簡単でしょ?
something off in the train? Turn back.
ゲームを終わらせる
One-
方法?
I don't know why I keep talking over him. Want to finish the game?
それは
Get to-
0号車まで行ってその先の運転室でブレーキをかけるだけ.
Get to car 0 and hit the brakes in the conductor's room.
トイレの車両は変わったことは起こらないからね.
There are no anomalies in the restroom area.
もう一回説明する?
Got it?
よかっ
Yes.
た.
Good.
じゃあ後でまた
I'll
会おう
see you
ね.
at the end then. Okay, well, that's simple enough. This man's head looks different. Where's your hair, sir? You need some Rogaine. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with Rogaine. This is new, is it? No. Oh, the kid's gone. Cool. Alright, so he's playing with us. Cool. Okay. I don't like that. Okay, well, it's only gonna get worse from there, and I already said I didn't like that, so we're just gonna keep jogging through this. Oh, I thought that woman on that poster was like a woman standing there for a second. That scared me so bad. Oh. Okay. Well, that's fun, isn't it? Oh, okay. Oh. That's not normal. Oh my god, my cat was scratching my leg. Come here. Yuki will be my emotional support while I play this game. The man is awake now. Yep. Oh. What just happened? Did I just die? I don't know what just happened. Well, he's sleeping again, so yeah, I didn't care for that either. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Damn, that got me good. That was awful. Train. See, like, I'm gonna turn around and see what that does, because that's not supposed to happen. And now I wonder if I go back in, if that's still gonna be there. It is. I'm just gonna keep going, because, like, what am I supposed to do about that, you know? Nothing. I can't do shit about that. Alright, I just want to take a second and just... I'm sorry for breathing directly into the microphone. I'm sure that sucked. This is train car 2 and this woman's here again. And I'm not even gonna look at her this time. What do you mean 7? Why am I back in 7? Is it because I didn't turn around when I saw that woman? So I think when I see the woman, I'm supposed to turn around. Oh. You know what? I think that is, because I just went to 7, now I'm in 6. If this is 5, this kind of confirms my, this is 7 again. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's when I'm turning around. I'll listen to the game this time. Ooh. Ooh, okay, I just got the chills. So I just went backwards, and now we're back. The train's going the correct way, even though I just turned around. Like, I'm not facing the seats. My eyes are, like, tearing up because I'm so creeped out. I see. Okay, so I thought if I went backwards, I would just go through the same train cars that I'd been going through. But that's not the case. So now that I know I can go both ways, this game is going to get a lot more interesting. I like how that man was just kind of T-posing in in the middle of the train car. It's kind of funny. Okay, so at least I know stuff's happening in the game because I just saw... No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That's odd. See, that's odd. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. I'm not turning around. Please, number 3. Nope. I don't understand what is happening. Oh, I'm turning back around because that lady's up here again. Is that an anomaly? Yes, that's an anomaly. Yes, it's an anomaly. Oh my god, that just gave me chills. God, that was awful. What the hell was that? Oh, no. Oh god. Alrighty, without looking up the spoilers for what happens, I looked up a list of anomalies, and Jesus Christ, no wonder I noticed. I didn't notice. So some of them can be like... Is this an anomaly? The numbers at the bottom say a different number, which I don't really understand. If these read out death, that's one. The seats can be a slightly different color, which is god awful. Also, if we're going through a concrete tunnel like we are right now, it's an anomaly, so we need to turn back around. No person following me. Nope, no one following me. My stomach is like dropping right now because I am so anxious. What was the anomaly in that one? What was the anomaly in that one? There was nothing in there. There was nothing in there. Faces. Okay, so those are the faces. Naked man, a set of suitcase. That's mirrored person. This should be number 0. And I'm so anxious. Okay. No death. Oh, the shades are slowly closing, which is another one. So we're gonna get out of here. And then we should have won the game. Could not speedrun this. That's an anomaly. Oh god. I can't get out. What is that noise? Should I go through the door? What? What? Oh, hello, little boy.
お兄さんすごいね。
Mister!
成功したんだね。
Looks like you made it!
キョロキョロしてどうしたの？もしかしてここが
You thought this was the conductor's room?
冗談はよしてよ。
You're only halfway there.
新幹線にはグリーン車があるんだよ。
Oh, I've never specified which car 0 you have to get
お兄さ
to.
んなら知ってるよね。
You know where the premium seats are. If you're an adult, you should know that. You have to go through the green cars to get to the conductor's room. Duh. By the way, on the green car, ooh, when you find an anomaly, go forward instead of walking back. Oh, and one more thing. You make 3 mistakes, the ghost will get you. Oh, God. Hey, mister? Have you ever wondered why we're here? Never mind. Let's just clear the game first. See you at car 0. So does that mean when there's not an anomaly, I turn back around? So there's a list of anomalies that can happen in these cars. So I will read them out. The attendant isn't there. The attendant maintains eye contact with you. The attendant stands in the center of the aisle, then runs at you full speed. You're kidding me. That's off. Nothing appears to be wrong. The man's legs are tree roots. Therefore, I have to turn around. How was I wrong? Oh, you have to go forward. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, she just jumped out. Or there was someone that was just watching me, which means I need to go forward. Yep, I knew that was about to get me. I felt that one in my soul. I need to keep going. I will not talk to the boy. That does not seem like a smart decision. I think I need to turn around. That's normal. Did I just die? Did I just die? Okay, well, how am I supposed to move out of the way when that happens? What is that noise? Oh. Hello? Did I just crash the game? What was that? Okay, with that being said, I'm going to end the stream here. I haven't been going for very long, but now that I know how to play the game and everything, I'll hop on next time. And then we'll finish it in one go. But thank you to everyone that hung out during the stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support. I will be back on this Sunday, probably with the same game, potentially. We'll see. But I hope everyone has a wonderful evening, and check out my YouTube if you want to see highlights of this. I will probably post this highlight reel on Sunday, so pop in if you want to see that. Also, my link tree is in my bio, which has my YouTube, my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. So check that out. I'm close to being an affiliate, so if you're interested in my content, please give it a follow to help get me there quicker. And I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful evening.